In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a URL link in Asana board. By the end, you'll be able to turn plain text in a task description into a clean, clickable link your teammates can use right away. First, head to the Asana login page. If you see the option to continue with Google, go ahead and click that, then choose your Google account to sign in. If you normally sign in another way, that's fine too. Just get yourself into your workspace so you can access your projects. Make sure you're in the correct organization or team where the project lives. Once you're in, open the project where you want to add the link. You can find it from your home view, recent projects, or the sidebar. After the project loads, select the task you want to work on. This method works the same whether you're updating an existing task or a brand new one. In the task pane, find the description area. Click into it and type the text that will become your link. While click here works, it's usually better to use descriptive text so people know where they're going. For example, open the design brief, view the analytics dashboard, or see the client folder. Clear specific link text improves accessibility and helps teammates scan the task quickly. Next, highlight the exact words you want to turn into a link. Be precise, only select the text you want to be clickable. When you highlight, a small formatting toolbar will appear above or near the text. In that toolbar, click the link icon. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Command+K on Mac or Control+K on Windows to open the link dialog. You'll see a field where you can paste the URL. Paste the full URL into the field. Make sure it includes HTTPS or HTTP, especially if you're linking to external tools like cloud documents or dashboards. If you commonly share links from private systems, double-check that your teammates have access so they won't hit a permissions wall. When the URL looks good, press Enter or click Apply. You'll see your selected text turn into a clickable hyperlink. Asana auto-saves the description, but it never hurts to click outside the field to confirm the change. To test it, click the link and ensure it opens the correct page in a new tab. If you need to change or remove it, highlight the linked text again and use the link button to edit or clear it. That's it, you've added a URL link to an Asana task description. This simple habit keeps your tasks clean, reduces back and forth, and helps your team get to the right place fast. Thanks for watching.